TechBook Pro, and today I have another great unboxing for you. I have here the Canon EOS 70D. This is the body-only model. You could purchase this on Amazon or B&H Photo for about $1,000. So without wasting any time, let's get right into this unboxing. Look around the box. On the front we have a picture of the camera, some branding on the side, and then down here we have some specs. So it comes with a 20.2 megapixel CMOS sensor. ISO for photos would be 12,800 and for video 6,400. There's up to 7 frames per second burst shooting, so that's really fast. There's 19 autofocus, all cross type points, so that's really nice for autofocus. Dual pixel CMOS, so that's a sensor for video, which is really nice. I could explain that in a later video. And then you also have a 3.0 touchscreen. So a 3-inch touchscreen for autofocusing, and I could explain that a little later as well. Going around the side, we just have some more branding, some barcodes. On the back, we have system requirements for the CD-ROM, which is included. And on this side, it just tells you what the contents are inside. So let's get unboxing. Alright, so to open the box, there's just a small flap right here. You could pull that down, and then we can go ahead and open it. And then, as always with Canon products, you always get warranty. Here's your CD disc, so you can install some software they provide. This is just like restrictions and all that. Right here we have an instruction manual. So this one's English and this one's in Spanish. And then going inside here, now there's kind of a big hole because this is a body only, so there's no lens that comes with it. Here we have a sync cable, so that's micro USB or mini USB to USB, so if you want to transfer photos over. We have the battery charger for the battery, and so I really like these because it has the prongs that are attached. It doesn't have a separate cable. And then you also have the battery, so this is a LPE6. And then you also get a custom, which is the EOS 70D strap. And so then on the right side, we have the star of the show, which is the camera. I'll get the box out of the way. And so it's wrapped in this nice bubble wrap. You pull it out and it comes into this nice cloth type material. We could pull that out. And so there's the camera. So let's go ahead and get a closer look. So here we have a closer look at the Canon 70D. So going to the back here, starting at the top left, we have the mode dial with the lock on it. So you just press in the button and then you can go ahead and rotate. Here's your on and off switch. You have a menu and info button right up top. On the top right side, you have your shutter buttons, some dials, some buttons, a nice screen so to display your ISO, aperture, and all that. And then over here you have your photo video mode and your live view. Over here is your autofocus, your zoom, in and out. And then you have here the playback. You have the delete button, a lock, and then also a scroll wheel. And then here's the SD card slot. It's only one SD card. And so let's go ahead and get one in there. And so there's that. And then here on the bottom is your tripod mount and then the battery. So the battery just fits right in. So let's go ahead and turn this guy on for the very first time. Okay, so it first prompts you to set your date and time zone. So I'll get that and I'll be back in just a second. Got my time, date, and all that stuff ready. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is install a lens real quick. I have here the Canon 24mm f2.8 STM lens, and I have an unboxing on that. You can go ahead and click the screen for that. So let's go ahead and turn this camera on. Let's go ahead and switch to live view. And I love the sound of the shutter. Alright. So that's basically the unboxing of my Canon EOS 70D. please be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for a review of this camera. So thank you again for watching. And